Do you want to get some motion in 2023 but don't know where to start? Watch this video till the end and get that money. How to resell AirPods in 2023. So the first thing you need to get is a supplier. You can get a supplier on DHgate, and once you got your supplier you can start buying some AirPods. Once the AirPods got to you, list them on marketplaces like Facebook, OfferUp and eBay. So the first thing you're going to do on DHgate is search AirPods. Then click on best selling. Now just choose your supplier. Now choose which AirPods would you like to order and click buy it now. Now once you're done and you have the AirPods in hand, go on Facebook Marketplace and list them up as AirPods.